Okay, if you have seen the video, on, Neo Banjo's rotating vehicles, I made a drill similar to his, but the only thing there's a few different things, but at least it works good. Okay, move this over here. Looks like a satellite. Yeah, satellite. Um, each one of each side is the same, and yeah, so there's a tow bar on here helps it spin, and you're gonna need this part around here, so it makes this part turn easier. Like, cause like the bumpers and the wheels, you have to make sure all these wheels are in freestyle, but not those high grip ones. But all these ones have to be in freestyle mode. Yeah, so I'll just take it off layer by layer. Whoops. Okay. See each layer. Just hope you build this right. Okay, super fuels. There's a tow bar. Okay, probably got this by now. So I'm gonna put it all back together. Okay. This part's supposed to go on like right there. Here's the satellite part. I like to call it the satellite first. Right there. It's all hooked up. Now let's see how good it works. I'm gonna drive up against the wall so you can see where it spins. I made a Gatling gun out of this. All I did was remove the tires, add ammo to the spinning part, and some grenade guns. And repellenters. And lasers. I'll show it to you. When you back up at the smoke part, looks cool, because look, it's like twirling. Whoa. Okay, turn to the garage. So, Post enough comments if you want me to do the Gatling gun. And this is Flame Master 101. Peace out.